Guys, back in the days, the streets, ngabe kugcwele bantwana on the streets, bagqoke ama-uniform esikolo on a holiday. Today is a holiday. Shout out to you all. Shout out to the youth of 2026. All of you guys, I see, because now, sengithi bobabe ne, so we are remembering le generation le beyitoba bomkhulu after thine, after lalabanye labakhona. So shout out to bobabe uma 1945, 1950, 1960, 1970, 1980 guys, for surviving this war. Guys, South Africa used to have a war. That's why today you see us like this. It's easy to see me. You don't have to come home to see me, guys. Just use social media to see me, because they fought for this life we are living right now. Suppose we should have been watching Belung on our phones doing podcasts, you see. So shout out to you all. Shout out to Ligazi. Shout out to Tegwane. Shout out to Pinar. Shout out to Kapogweni. Shout out to Matsulu. Shout out to Nkomazi. Shout out to Pushpakri. Shout out to Mkuhlu. Shout out to everyone around Bombela. I'm located at Ganyamazane, Zone 6. Akopa the name, Give the Soul. Fana mtimazi ngipambolo nyika batbili. Fuka kaboni ngmakeza ngabisi bani bakhala ngelibisi. Chikiti injiji paloni. So it's happening, guys. You see, yeah, it's a holiday, June 16. As you see, ngale advert there. So guys, cinema school, we used to be like these kids. We used to form groups. Yeah, sibe group, just sibe baning 20. Just practice the guys, just to dance like Sarafina. So life was like that. I'm talking about us. I'm talking about 80s, 90s. Yeah, we were together. See, they were from the 90s. Was how to, you see. So, Chiva Sarafina, Chiva, guys. So it's about you today, guys. About 1976. So to uprising, guys, in South Africa. If you are out of this country, you're from another country, from another mother, your brother from another mother, a sister from another mother. I'm just sharing a story. Yeah, a story to you. If you're from LA, London, UK, everywhere around, guys, around, everyone who's seeing this video, I'm just sharing a story with you guys. South Africa has been to hell. We've been to hell, guys, with whites. So whites colonized South Africa, guys. I don't wanna lie. They took everything from us, from our grandparents. You see, Mbombela is a capital city. So Mbombela used to be a township. So now is a city. So it was a township. We were supposed to be living in a city, guys. So it's 2016. Skip the soul, guys. So I want you to go to Spotify. So this one, I'm opening this line. We are donating for the youth, June 16. So the way of donating, guys, is you go to YouTube, you go to Facebook, you go to stories, you make a story, you use the song, any song by Give the Soul. It's either Don Laga, Spirit Cleansing, Ilobola, Imbia Bokoko. So guys, let's go to I didn't connect the sound, the studio, guys. I didn't know I would need e-radio. So now let's go to the song. If you want to see the song, any song, Jen. But let's go to I don't see the song, but now guys. It's either you go to Don Laka by Give the Soul or Lobola. You are donating, guys. Use your data to donate. You donate with your data. You go to Spotify, you stream Give the Soul. You go to YouTube, you go to Facebook. Just stream anything by Give the Soul. So yeah, that's how we donate. on this show, guys. So you see, hear the song. Now I'm streaming. I'm donating. Me myself, I'm donating for the youth, guys. I'm playing the song. You see, I'm playing this song on YouTube now. That means data is converted to $8. You see, guys. So let's do it. It's a new game. I'm training you guys. It's a new game. We don't need your money per se. Your data is money, so can be converted, guys. I don't wanna lie. Mbhatala my Wi-Fi. Sometimes, and you don't use that Wi-Fi that much. So I send in so ropale Wi-Fi because you are paying Wi-Fi, guys. For the data just so that you are buying them. It's just a trick. If you have a smart TV, now just for, or we are making it happen for Give the Soul. So open your smart TV, go to YouTube, type Give the Soul, any song by Give the Soul. But 4 songs is Don Laka, Spirit Cleansing, Lobola, Imbia Bokoko. Any song is for you press play, you go to repeat, go to settings, press repeat, then you switch off the volume, you leave the TV like that. Sometimes it helps when you leave the Wi-Fi on. The system is always updating, guys. So while you're at work, you'll be donating to my song, you just put repeat on Give the Soul, you go to work, you switch the volume. You see, that's how you do it. On your phone, do like that. Go to Spotify, you press follow, you go to search, you say Give the Soul, you can get the songs. You press follow, you stream, you play like that, you put repeat on the song, Jay. It's up to you. But I'm asking you to put repeat on the song. So we're donating for the youth. So guys, today is Youth Day, guys. Good day, guys. We lost. It's like we lost, but it went like a sacrifice. We lost lots of blood, lots of brothers, lots of sisters. Even we lost the president. Maybe some of them should have been a good president to us. You see, we lost the cool guys. So that's why you see South Africans, they are so mad, guys. When it comes to mass strikes, so mad. They can show you, guys. You don't give them water. They can come to your house. I don't wanna lie. Ban your house. Just you didn't open water on their tap. So guys, these guys are crazy. They've been to hell. They've been missed by 303s, AK-47s. They've been missed by tear gases. You see, guys. So you don't mess with those guys. So we are celebrating them today for fighting for us, celebrating for those who sacrificed for us. They should have been today's granddads. You see. So, but it's still even on the other side, guys, they are still with us. They are still living with South Africa, according to my belief. Guys, we don't die. We are going to another world to live another life. So that's where they went. Thank you very much to them. We are praying for them to be blessed wherever they are, guys. So now I want to go to... Oh, we're playing a song, Lobola, guys. This is a song, guys. But I didn't connect on speakers. I don't want more noise. You can hear it like this, like you are playing on your phone. You see, you can go to Spotify now. We guys. Spakamisa youth. Sine we are the youth now, so Youth Day, donate, go to Spotify, go to stream Give the Soul. And thank you very much for watching this live. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to press follow, like, share, comment, guys. It's very for you, guys. There's this thing I want to tell you. For you to grow your Facebook page, guys, for you to grow your Facebook, you must upitsitele, you see, like if you are sharing this live to others, now you are growing, you comment, you are growing. So Mark Zuckerberg, guys, they are always watching for this. That's why it's all about the algorithms. But guys, algorithms, guys, I've been spanning with Facebook, I've been spanning, I don't wanna lie. So but God came back to me, say, guys, Gift, don't forget your music. We are here on Facebook because of your music. We started because of the music. So I was very busy with the podcast, going on the streets. So God said, no, let's push the music kancane. So you see, nyalo yabona sichinja season where is winter. You see, guys, so far, but I'm shocked, guys, I don't wanna lie. I was next to the mountain. The trees are still green, but it's winter now, guys. It's June. In winter, you see, we are gonna start another season, you see. So yeah, shout out to Sport 5, shout out to Emma 14, shout out to Ekuku Center, shout out to guys wherever la ukhona khona, shout out to Likaslelo, shout out to Nishola 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, guys, shout out to you. It's good to have you. It's good, very guys, don't forget, Nipshai cool joala, guys. We are drinking for those guys. That's the sacrifice we have for the lost souls, because we lost souls, lot of lost souls. Nipshai, guys, in Shisinyama. So but I'm really touched. Out on the street, outside, I'm talking about La Nyamazane 6 on the street. There's no one, guys, there's no sign that shows it's you day. Yeah, guys, if you are not up to date in life, you guys will be lost. Date, so the way Singapore is like, say, okay, it's a township, but the lifestyle, you can't see people on the streets, you see, you can't go with the flow with them, you see. That's how it is, guys. So shout out to me for knowing that today is June 16. Some kids, they don't know what's the day today, what time is it now, you see. They don't know, they just sleep, wake up, guys, you see. Hey, we have different lives, so help me. I want to come out and go out of that kind of life. I don't want to forget even a holiday. Some kids forget that it's a holiday today. So shout out to me, shout out to you for watching this live. It's Give the Soul. So we donate by streaming Give the Soul on Spotify, on YouTube, on Facebook. Go to Facebook, YouTube, Spotify. That's where you can donate. Stream Give the Soul. We are donating for the Youth Day, guys. Youth Day. Today is Youth Day. So now I'm playing the song Lobola, guys. Como zaba banige kaigeni yo keeping como zaba banige kaigeni koki lobo manige kaigeni koki lobo. Shout out to you, sister Lomafake Machado. Shout out to you, Puti Lomafake sister Machado. Shout out to you for making peace. Nene Pshobo. Shout out to you all. Shout out to you guys. Meaning I've been on the street and I was lucky. You know what I'm telling you? I was a taxi driver. There was a year. Hey guys, there was a year. I don't want to lie. on the streets they were proposing. Imagine coming on the street uthola mjida uguqile ngemadolo uyapropose guys. Shout out to machita lanjalo, shout out to la machita la khonile ke ukuthi yabona khona ukuthi machita lamanye okay their own relationships but they are robbing the relationship guys. I don't know lie. Roba njalo. So some of them ba end up babalekela umndeni wakhabo umfati ngaloko because they're gonna ask malobolo all the time, you see. So shout out to you ufu babhithile khabo umndeni wakhabo umfati wabathenga bonke baba bakho. Shout out to you my man, you are a king. Nika 10 very, I'm giving you 10. Now sister lo wene lo mjida what I'm investing on this one yabona wakugana wakulobola sister, so shout out to you. Okay, ilobona, this song is about that nje. Just sasethi notakhabo babe ngithi sekhabo umntwana namntwana buye asase kwakuwa ukuthi sekhaya. You see, that's what it is, ilobona. All right. Okay, guys. I don't know, guys. We used to have Mpumalanga Park Sport next to Mbombela Stadium, guys. That's where I met Revolution Namaduva, guys. No, nice performance. It's 91. Back in the days, 91. It's 2000, around 2001, 2002, guys. So shout out to Revolution for pursuing the chain, guys. I still remember this, guys. I don't wanna lie. They used to play music. Lomnazi. Music Lomnazi, guys. I don't wanna lie. Now we're gonna go to Revolution. Yeah, that's the performance, guys. That's why in Mpumalanga, in Revolution, I sang a performance cool. That was the gig in Revolution corner. They were playing with vinyls, guys. Remember by the time of vinyls. I was there, guys. So now we're just playing one song for Revolution. Thanks, guys. And I was a kid. 2002, when I standard 5, grade 9. But I was understanding house music. I was listening to this sound, guys. Yo. No, guys, I don't wanna lie. So in technology, very iPhone, so now I was dancing. You see, we are both going again. I must go back, search for the song. I used a wrong button, you see. I used the wrong button. Yeah, but Revolution, guys, I'm telling you, Revolution, nothing else. Okay, yeah. Let's go to check the Revolution, guys. I don't wanna lie. My sound, the Matanza, when I'm alone, you see, just for you day, Sine, Sisase. We used to have, I know, La Ligazi. Now I'm still going out. I don't know the like, guys. I'm going out to make my function la corner. But I'm not inviting you to see I'm going somewhere. But my function I'm gonna attend you. So I don't know like my bookings. For now, I don't have the keys for my bookings, guys. I don't know lie. I don't feel like being booked. I don't feel like, guys, I don't wanna lie. So that's the song, and that's why I pressed the wrong button because I was talking about this song, Revolution and Matova. This is a song, guys. Imagine watching people on TV. After that, you see them live, and I was a kid, guys, and I was dreaming about music. You see, intro, guys. It's Revolution and Maduva. Quickly, but I'm signing out. I told you I must go somewhere now to fix something else. Maybe I'm not be live laying matima because someone someone is calling me somewhere. Maybe I will show you where I'm going. But let's go to another song. Guys. Just for a revolution. For the chain, we missed Revolution, guys. We missed Revolution. I'm thinking, what if Revolution was playing on my piano? I will hear something, guys. Best those more, guys. You're one about Kyo. They came back with fire. They came back with fire, yeah. Discovery and show. So, what if it was Revolution? Wow. So now this song is Revolution featuring Rilo. Where there's Rilo, there's fire, man. There's fire. Uzozumoya, it was Rilo. Kent is Rilo. Bong and is Revolution, Rilo. Where there's Rilo, there's fire, guys. Let's go back to, the Voice of Angels. But Rilo, guys. Rilo used to play Gifts of Life, like Kent, Umo and Esquire Camp. So this one is Rilo. Alright with Revolution. Let's go. Aye. Just that, guys, I'm showing you on the youth day, guys. When we're talking about revolution, we're talking the ancestors, guys. They're like the ancestors, guys. Guys, when I was a kid listening to this sounds, but because now I'm using Fruity Loops, I thought maybe they go Tipo, guys. I used to call them Tipo. There's these guitars they are playing, guys. Wow. Let's play the song. I want you to hear the thing I'm talking about. I used to say Tipo, guys. Shout out to Revolution. Wow. I can't get the song. Okay, guys. Because I don't get the song, scroll like to Ayiko. Let's go to Marist Revolution. We check another Revolution song. Don't worry, Give the Soul. I said we donate on Spotify. You stream Give the Soul on Spotify. You go on YouTube. You stream Give the Soul on YouTube. On Facebook, guys, be with me. Let's donate. So we are still
good food, good life.
We are still with Revolution. Singer Ham, guys. Let's check another song from Revolution. It's just my network on the Wi-Fi, guys. Hey, my network. Okay, let's go. On this one is Revolution featuring Nombulelo Paradise, guys. When you're a DJ playing this sets, man. We used to play this sets. Everyone was dancing.
When I think of you, you make everything seem alright. Take me to paradise, where no harm can come my way.
Shout out to you guys. This is Revolution. Skip the Soul 589 TV live. I'm signing out.